Hello dear friends. Today now you see another selection of coolest products best top 5 carpet cleaner. Only instru the product's best top 5 carpet cleaner. Link in description box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. Let's go. Number 1. Sharky X120 Carpet Cleaner. Sharky X120 Carpet Cleaner is the perfect solution for deep cleaning carpets and area rugs, especially in homes with pets. This powerful upright carpet and area rug cleaner is designed to remove dirt, grime, and pet hair with ease, ensuring your home stays fresh and spotless. Equipped with a carpet shampooer, it delivers a thorough clean, reaching deep into fibers to lift embedded dirt and stains. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver around furniture and tight spaces, while the powerful suction ensures a quick drying time. Whether you're dealing with pet accidents or general dirt buildup, this cleaner has you covered. The Sharky X120 is a renewed product, offering exceptional value without sacrificing quality. If you're looking for a reliable, efficient, and budget-friendly option for keeping your floors pristine, the Sharky X120 Carpet Spurt is an excellent choice for any pet owner or homeowner in need of deep cleaning. Number 2. Bissell Turbo Clean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner. Bissell Turbo Clean Pet XL Upright Carpet Cleaner is a must-have for pet owners looking to maintain clean and fresh carpets. This powerful cleaner is equipped with a specialized upholstery tool and tough stain formula to handle even the most stubborn pet stains and odors. The XL size provides extra wide cleaning coverage, making it perfect for larger spaces, while its lightweight design ensures easy maneuverability. The Turbo Clean technology delivers effective suction, lifting dirt and grime from deep within your carpet fibers, leaving your floors looking spotless. The included formula is specifically designed to tackle pet messes, ensuring a thorough clean without harsh chemicals. This cleaner is ideal for homes with pets, offering a combination of efficiency and convenience. With the Bissell Turbo Clean Pet XL, you can keep your home looking pristine and odor-free without the hassle. It's a reliable, budget-friendly solution for all your carpet cleaning needs. Number 3. EUREKA Power Speed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Carpet Cleaner. EUREKA Power Speed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Carpet Cleaner is a powerful, versatile cleaning solution for both carpets and hard floors. With its lightweight design, it's easy to maneuver and carry, making cleaning less of a hassle. This vacuum features a pet turbo tool designed to effectively remove pet hair and debris from your floors and furniture, making it perfect for homes with furry friends. The powerful suction ensures deep cleaning across all floor types, including carpets, rugs, and hardwood floors. Its extra-large dust cup means fewer trips to the trash, while the wide nozzle ensures quick and efficient cleaning. Whether you're tackling everyday messes or stubborn pet hair, the EUREKA Power Speed delivers excellent performance. Its sleek black and yellow design adds a modern touch to your cleaning routine. If you're looking for an affordable, high-performance vacuum, this is an ideal choice for maintaining a spotless home. Number 4. Kenmore DU1275 Bagless Upright Vacuum Carpet Cleaner. Kenmore DU1275 Bagless Upright Vacuum is a versatile and powerful cleaning solution for any home, especially for pet owners. Featuring a hair eliminator brush roll, this vacuum is designed to tackle pet hair and debris with ease, ensuring your carpets and upholstery stay clean and fresh. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the 4 height adjustment settings allow for customized cleaning on all floor types, from plush carpets to hard floors. The vacuum comes with a pet handmate and 2 additional cleaning tools, making it perfect for getting into tight spots and removing dirt from furniture, stairs, and more. The Bagless design ensures easy maintenance with a simple dust cup that can be emptied with minimal hassle. If you're looking for an efficient, lightweight, and pet-friendly vacuum, the Kenmore DU1275 is a top choice to keep your home clean and hair-free. Number 5. Gtech AirRAM Platinum Cordless Vacuum Carpet Cleaner. Gtech AirRAM Platinum Cordless Vacuum Carpet Cleaner is an innovative solution for those looking for powerful, convenient cleaning. Weighing only 7 pounds, it's incredibly lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it ideal for quick cleanups across carpets and hardwood floors. The vacuum features an anti-hair wrap brush bar, designed to prevent hair from tangling around the brush, making it perfect for pet owners or anyone with long hair. Powered by a rechargeable 22V Li-ion battery, it delivers strong suction with up to 40 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge. The AirRAM sleek, cordless design provides ultimate convenience, eliminating the hassle of cords and offering easy storage. Whether you're tackling dirt, debris, or pet hair, the Gtech AirRAM Platinum ensures an efficient, thorough clean with minimal effort. If you want a lightweight, versatile, and high-performing vacuum, this model is an excellent choice for your home. Thanks for watching the video.